Today, we have a lot of overcrowded telecom sites, and the monopoles are no exception. As far as we're concerned, the monopoles still have a lot of space to offer. Let's use them. Chain bracket is the perfect solution to achieve maximum capacity output. Using the chain bracket maximizes the capability of your site by installing additional equipment beneath or together with already existing installations. With efficient logistics, fast installation, a generous mounting span, and with accessories to accommodate any need, the chain bracket will not only save you money, but valuable time as well. Don't worry. The chain bracket can be adjusted to a diameter of between 100 and 1070 millimeters. Depending on the size of the monopole, simply add or remove the number of links needed, and you're good to go. Installation becomes smooth and fast. No welding or drilling is needed. The effects of the chain bracket are many. If you are planning on building a new monopole, because the one you already own is overcrowded, think again. If we compare the chain bracket with existing solutions on the market, the installation time of the chain bracket has proven to be 50 to 70% faster. To ensure the strength, quality and functionality of the chain bracket, we've done extensive testing with optimal results. This testing was done in several ways, by us, together with our customers and with our partners, and also together with a third party, RISE, the Research Institute of Sweden. We'd like to invite you to be a part of this opportunity. Our solution is made for you, and we believe the chain bracket will enable and open up new possibilities worldwide.